Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel with another episode in bWAPP series. In today's video, we are going to continue our exploration of XSS attack or cross-site scripting attack, but with different context. Before we go ahead, if you don't mind, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. So now, let's head over to Linux VM to start. We can log in to bWAPP with credentials. The first is to choose the bug, what we are going to do in this video. It would be, yes, this one, HREF. You know, this is one attribute of HTML element. Okay, let me click the button and so reflect. In order to vote for your favorite movie, your name must be entered, like JSON. Continue. So hi JSON. So this information is displayed on the page. And also here, so what's that? A vote. Let me check its source code. And just scroll down. JSON. So our input will be put inside HREF. So how about we manipulate this JSON? Or maybe we can, JSON is transmitted or transported in the URL. I think this can be manipulated very easily. So how to do? What I mean. And, we must, for example, our job is to, manipulate this part. And we need to close the first or left angular bracket. Okay, let me show you what I mean. I think we can here. So the right angular bracket and script. And also we need to have a left angular bracket. Here we can alert like just one. Okay. And let me hit. Yeah, indeed. Our JavaScript code has been executed as we expected. Okay. And I do not want to show again. So if you check its source code, you can see over here, we manipulate this part. Okay, of course, this is not, valid a link because we do not supply the actual name. Anyway, this part or this JavaScript code can be executed, and then we can retrieve a cookie as usual. Okay, not complicated at all. With that being said, that's pretty much it. I'd like to see you in the next one. Bye. Have a good day, please.